Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. I'll introduce a wash item for women from DKNY Daily Metal that was prepared by MovinsEdition. The famous Dona카ran뉴욕 brand, which only owns one, is almost a brand new product. MovinsEdition. The Donakaran뉴욕 product that Alex introduces is popular as a daily metal watch for women. For a modern and contemporary woman who loves flirty style, this DKNY bracelet watch is a great pick. In cool, durable stainless steel, the design features a trendy rectangular white dial adorned with a fun and fabulous crystal-studded DKNY logo. It's the front part of the watch. There is no separate index on the white dial, making it simple and luxurious. It's never fancy, but it's a model that doesn't get tired of wearing it on a luxurious daily basis. There's no separate index, so the crystal accent logo DKNY signature stands out. The DKNY watch product introduced by MovinsEdition is popular among men and women. There's a reason why the DKNY watch is so popular. This product introduced by MovinsEdition is a used product that doesn't have much use. It's a very popular model, and it's an opportunity for buyers to get it at a lower price than new products. I recommend a watch that women can wear on a daily basis, which is luxurious but comfortable.